Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set notifications on poco phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, you can see here's the settings. So friends, here you have to click on the setting. When you click on the setting, you just tap on the setting. When you click on the setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see is the sound and vibration. So here you have to tap on the sound and vibration. When you click on the sound and vibration, you can see here's the notification. So friends, here you have to click on the notification. When you click on the notifications, from here you can see the online notification sounds. You can set from here the online notification sounds. If you want to set rock, pop, hip hop, happy, sad, motivation, fashion, you can set from here. You just tap on any upbeat. Okay, from here you can select the ringtones for the notifications, and if you want to apply, just click from here on the side the bell icon. When you click on it, just click on OK, and this ringtone will set successfully as your notification sound. I just click one time back, and after that on the down you can see here profile. Just click on the profile. When I move on the profile, you can see the ringtones. Just click on the ringtone. Here you can set the offline ringtones. Okay, offline notification sounds. There is the downloaded ringtones, and maybe there is some system ringtones. Okay, this all are the system ringtones. You can set system ringtones and downloaded ringtones from here. And friends, if you want to remove the ringtone, then the first option there is the don't set ringtone, and if you want to set default ringtone, here is the default ringtone. If you want to set default ringtone, if you want to set notification sound from gallery or from music, then here is the plus icon. Not from gallery, from file manager or from the music, then you can set from here. Okay, there is recorder also. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.